Good afternoon, everybody. It's Ned over my Philippine dreams. I'm a little bit under the weather, but here I am yet still working tirelessly for you to convey information about living, retiring, going to school, doing anything in the Philippines. And today we're going to be showing off a 35,000 peso house that's for rent in Dumaguete that a buddy of mine, Brian Beckley, and he's also a vlogger, and if you haven't subscribed to Brian's vlog, you have to do that. The link is down in the video description box. You have to check it out. So this is Brian's new house, and we're going to be taking a tour. These are the guard dogs. They're actually very friendly. Hello. Hi, good boy. And that's Brian's pool. He shares that with the landlord. And there's the entrance. And this is what you drive your scooter down. There's parking for a couple of vehicles over here. This is actually a two-family, two-home compound. The landlord lives right over here. And those are his dogs. And that's the shared pool. And there's actually a maid's quarter right over here. If you want to get a maid, that's where the maid would live. And we're going to spin around, and this is his domicile. And as a bonus, it's got malunggay. Malunggay is super healthy. It's really good for you. And it's got some nice flowering bushes. And this is it, man. All right, right off the bat, we got this beautiful porch. A little sala right off the entrance. And it's fully furnished. It's got some nice rattan furniture. It's also got beautiful recessed lighting, so you can come out here in the evening and relax and enjoy the beauty that is the Philippines. And it's also got a nicely landscaped front yard. Grass, I bet your landlord takes care of all the maintenance and all that stuff. Now we're gonna go inside here. I'm trying to pan slowly because people keep complaining. And can't get the lights to work in here. Oh well. Okay, so hopefully this shows up. This is like the living room area. Again, more rattan furniture. Got a little Samsung TV over there in the entertainment section. Check it out. It's got this really, really big mirror where I can admire myself. Say, how am I looking today? I'm looking good. This is the dining area. You have settings for 4. It's got a little bit of art on the wall. You guys know I like art. There's also a nice sliding glass window looking out over the sala. And Brian's out there. He's getting ready to move in. This is the kitchen, and this is badass. It's got a center island. It's got a nice refrigerator that comes with it. It's got a nice stove, because Brian likes to do a lot of cooking. Brian's actually a very good cook. It's got a nice gas top right here. That's something to take away all the fumes. And this is just really nice. It's also got a whirlpool, clothes washer, nice cabinetry, really nice cabinetry. Whoever put this together did a very good job. And Brian is very proud of this, his giant ass pantry, which is also probably like a bomb or storm shelter. This is a huge pantry. So this is really nice. And you got your electric circuit box right here. What do you think, man?
Love it.
Loving it. Living large, in charge. Let's look at ourselves one more time. Ooh. This is the master suite. Look at this quality of this craftsmanship right here. This is not your cheap ass build stuff like I have. This is actually high quality wooden furniture. Everything works. It's got a beautiful California cabinets, I guess you'd call them. Lots of storage space. And another giant mirror. And a very nice master suite bath. It's got a lot of I brought him all this from the US. I actually ordered too much. This is the bathroom. It's got a bidet, should you desire a bidet. It's also got a nice shower. Cool. And as Brian noted, it's separate from the rest of the bathroom, so the water doesn't fly all over the place. So that's a very nice master suite. One of the reasons he had to move was because they could only get PLDT DSL. And here, they just signed up for fiber optic. They got the PLDT fiber optic, 50 up, 50 down. Now we go into my room. I mean, the guest room. Yes, this is the guest room. This is a huge bedroom. All the bedrooms have air conditioning, obviously. Big air cons. It's like a, I don't know, like a 2 horsepower. Sheesh. Nice sliding windows. Another big mirror to admire yourself. More California cabinetry. Very nice. And just the layout, the finished detail, and the colors of the paint. The colors of the paint are nice. Nothing crazy. And this is the other bathroom. It's 2-bath. Toto, we're not in Kansas anymore. And another water heater. So get to have hot water now. So 35,000 pesos, furnished, spacious, very fine quality, attention to detail, a giant ass pantry, a lovely sala, a pool, and we didn't get the video of the pool, but it's got a naked mermaid at the bottom. I'm not sure what that's all about. And it's very nice. So this is Ned over my Philippine dreams, and Brian's now going to be moving in and cooking up a storm. He's got to do that house warming party thing. See you next time. Peace. Hey everybody, good morning. This is Ned over my Philippine dreams, and to the D over at MPD. And as always, I try to convey blah blah blah.